Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So now the R changes to 600i plus 400j. So we can edit the previous problem and we can get that. We can just change the R value and we can get the VH to be 1018 millimeter per second at 70.5 degree up above the horizontal. Now, similarly, we have to change the R value over here as well. So put plus 400j and the rest stays the same. So we end up having negative 1536 plus minus 64j millimeter per second square, and all together the value of the acceleration becomes ag. So these are all g now. These are also g now. Altogether, this becomes 1537 millimeter per second square at an angle of 2.4 degree down below the horizontal.